This presentation is to provide information and invite comment and participation in a major planned redevelopment of Dingwall's Meiklefield area. Over the next several years, the Highland Council propose to redevelop significant parts of the Meiklefield area close to Dingwall town centre. New housing and improved facilities, public open areas, parking and landscaping are proposed. We will encourage residents to be involved in the delivery of the proposed improvements. This document outlines the intentions of the project, defines the phased redevelopment programme, and invites your comments, ideas, and participation. The project will, on a parcel-by-parcel basis, beginning with Parcel 1, demolish the existing houses and redevelop each site. We have been tasked to deliver new, high-quality mixed accommodation and new landscaping, parking, and public and community facilities, all designed to address our post-COVID and environmental priorities. Phase 1 will commence this year, with future phases. The first phase of the project will replace the properties at numbers 1 to 23 Meiklefield Road with 14 units comprising of flats and houses, and improve access, parking and landscaping to create a strong local identity and a gateway and exemplar standard for the whole project. Phase 1 will also include the new Meiklefield Community Hub and Information Point. Meiklefield is a well-established and popular residential area and enviably close to the town centre. The purpose of the Meiklefield project is for the Highland Council to deliver a selective programme of demolition and redevelopment of identified older housing stock across the area. We propose to take this opportunity. The project must address both the nature of post-COVID life, with an emphasis on greater localism, community engagement and healthy living, and the necessity to work towards a sustainable green environment. Accordingly, both building and landscape design will seek to incorporate and prioritise as many as possible of the sustainable place design aspirations include increasing green space, working with the council to make sure that green spaces are appropriate and well maintained, safeguarding existing trees, creating light, well-ventilated and spacious dwellings which are affordable to run, and supporting walking and cycling. Design work will examine the nature of community planning to enable a more flexible, identifiable, and varied public-private space hierarchy. New house types will enable varied placement on sites to create more flexible and high-quality use of space. The varied site layouts possible with smaller planned footprints of new houses enable a wider variety and usage of the spaces between buildings. And new street sections improve pedestrian opportunities and in return create new common spaces for recreation and reduce the emphasis on the car. Phase 1 of the project comprises the demolition and redevelopment of odd numbers 1 to 23 Meiklefield Road, 12 flats, and complete redevelopment of the site to provide 14 units comprising of flats and houses on 2 stories, along with a new site layout, parking and landscaping, designed to the standards and principles outlined in this. These plans are indicative only, as design work is still in process. New houses and flats. This artist's impression of Phase 1 gives some indication of how the new development might appear. We hope that these slides give you a good impression of how Meiklefield could change in the years ahead. The initial phase of work is scheduled to start this year. We welcome your involvement in the development process and want to hear your views and suggestions. Please get in touch with your project team by phoning 01349 886 602, by email to meiklefield.matters at highland.gov.uk or simply pop a note into the service point on the High Street. Thank you.